Okay.
Tell me.
Go.
This is a Cincinnati knee mill. It's a 1 horsepower motor, 3-phase. It has a 10 by 42 cable. It has a power feed for the X-axis. It comes with this vise. It also comes with a lot of other tooling. We haven't examined all the tooling. We do have some collets with it. And everything works on the machine. It's a nice running machine. And we'll give it a run now. The table is in really good condition. It's got a few marks in it, but not too many. It's in good shape. I don't know how long the vise has been on it. We've just tried it today. There's an extra little scale here that you can lock in when you want some really tight tolerances. All of this works. Everything. I don't think we have anything on the machine that doesn't work, except we don't have any light bulbs for it, but we did check the sockets, and the sockets are good. The handle is there for the knee. Everything works good. It's a nice little machine. We did have to oil it. It's probably a little noisy because every place that needed oil, it was pretty much dry. There was very little oil in it. So we fixed all that, and this is what we got.